Yes, in most cases you do need insurance for a pop-up drink stand, even if it feels like a small casual setup. Selling drinks to the public, even lemonade or coffee, means you're taking on risk that a simple table and a smile can't protect you from. Here's the part most people never think about. A pop-up drink stand is legally treated like any other small food business, which means if someone gets sick from your drink, slips near your stand, or burns themselves on a hot cup, you could be held responsible for medical bills or damages. This is why general liability insurance exists. It covers things like injuries or property damage that happen because of your stand. There's also something called product liability insurance, which specifically protects you if a drink you sold causes harm, like an allergic reaction or contamination. Something a lot of people don't realize is that many farmers markets, fairs, and event organizers actually require vendors to show proof of insurance, called a certificate of insurance, before they're even allowed to set up. Without that piece of paper, you could be turned away on the spot, even if you already paid a vendor fee. One common mistake is assuming a homeowner's policy will cover business activities. It almost never does, so always ask specifically about business or vendor coverage. Another thing to watch for is skipping insurance because the stand feels temporary or small, but accidents don't check how long you've been open. A simple tip is to get a short-term or event-based liability policy, since many providers offer coverage by the day or weekend, which keeps costs low while still protecting you. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.